Hello YouTube friends, this is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing tonight? I am here with tonight with the random number picker. This is I looked at several and I couldn't find a really good one, so but good looking one, so I found this one and we're going to try this one tonight. Welcome to my channel, by the way, and what I'm doing is just a quick video to find a winner for my little secret giveaway. I had a little secret giveaway at the end of my postcard where I showed my box of postcards. At the very end of that, I had a giveaway, and I was just trying something different. I've never done this before, and I saw some other people do it, and I thought, well, kind of looked like fun, so I wanted to try it. So in the giveaway was two little notebooks that I had recovered for Tracy Fox's challenge, where she, challenged everyone to recover a notebook, and she did a few videos on that. So anyway, I had 4 people that said enter me. What it was I said at the end of the video, just if you want to enter, if you've seen this little secret giveaway for these notebooks, in a comment under this video, just write the words enter me in your comment, somewhere in your comment. Didn't matter where or whatever, just somewhere in your comment. So there were 4 people, and so we're going to pick a winner here. So I've got 1 through 4 there, you can see in the number generator. I've got a little list over here of the 4 people, 1 to 4 on beside me. And so let's just go ahead and do it. See who the winner is. Okay, here it is. Number 2 is Carmen Sloan. Congratulations, Carmen. I do believe I have your address, so I will go ahead and send those out to you tomorrow, if that's okay, to send it to the same address that I have. If it's not, email me right away, because I'm going to have these out first thing tomorrow morning, or at least by 12 noon tomorrow is when my mailman comes. So congratulations, and thank you for entering this little giveaway. And I'll be back to you with tomorrow night is my giveaway for the postcards, which was the next video after that. I think I decided I should give away some of these postcards, so, and share them. So yeah, that giveaway is tomorrow night, so come back tomorrow night after, I don't know, I'll do it late tomorrow night and come back and see who wins that. Thank you and if you haven't entered and you see this video, go to the video that says giveaway for the postcard, so, and leave me a comment there, so, because that's going to be the random comment generator that I pick a winner from that one. So I will see you next time, and happy crafting. Thank you. Good night.